In the quietude of early 20th century Switzerland, a young and unconventional mind named Albert Einstein dared to challenge the very fabric of reality. Join us in a short, motivational journey through the life of this iconic genius, a story that transcends science, curiosity, and the pursuit of knowledge. Einstein's Odyssey navigates the labyrinth of his early struggles, from a rebellious schoolboy questioning traditional education to a patent clerk, grappling with the mysteries of the universe during late-night musings. Einstein's life was an odyssey, a quest for understanding that propelled him beyond the limitations of societal norms. This short story delves into pivotal moments when rejection became motivation and failure transformed into the crucible of genius. In the face of skepticism, Einstein's unwavering belief in the power of his ideas became the guiding star that led him through the darkest intellectual alleys. Witness the transformative power of curiosity as Einstein unveiled the revolutionary theories that shook the foundations of physics. Each equation was not just a mathematical marvel, but a testament to the resilience that fueled his journey, from the theory of relativity to the iconic ERBMC2. Through Einstein's Odyssey, we invite you to explore the relentless pursuit of knowledge that defined his legacy. As the great mind himself once remarked, "I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious." This motivational short story encourages you to embrace your own Odyssey, fostering a spirit of curiosity, resilience, and a relentless pursuit of your passions. Join us on this journey through the tapestry of brilliance woven by Albert Einstein, a man who not only reshaped the understanding of the cosmos, but also left behind a timeless blueprint for those aspiring to embark on their own odyssey of greatness.